Hello. So hello everyone. In this video we will talk about how to speak English fluent. So we will talk some of the questions to the Navjot, and first of all Navjot will introduce himself. So welcome to our channel, Mr. Navjot. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Navjot. My father name is Mr. Jasveer Singh. My mother name is Mrs. Mutluka. I live in Aliganj district, Lakhimpur Kheri. My sister name is Ashdeep Kaur. I study in 11th Commerce in Disney Memorial Public School. And my hobby is play games and cricket. I go to abroad. And my father is also farmer and businessman, and my mother is a housewife.
So my dear Navjot is a beginner. I think I will ask some questions to related introduction, and he will reply. So first of all, we would like to know, this is an informal interview. We are practicing because Navjot is a beginner. In that we will practice how to introduce ourselves. So let's start. What's your name?
My full name is Navjot Singh. You call me Navjot.
Hey. So Navjot, what is your school name?
My school name is Duni Devi Dayalan Smart Vidyalaya. It is living in Aliganj.
So tell me, in which class do you study?
I am complete in 10th class. I am studying in the 11th Commerce.
And tell me what about your hobbies?
My hobby is a game and play cricket and go to abroad. So,
And tell me, what is your father name?
my father name is Mr. Jasveer Singh.
And what is your mother name?
My mother name is Mrs. Gurpreet. He is a housewife.
Okay, she is housewife. And tell me, what does your father do and what does your mother do?
My mother too is my help and study, and my mother is working housewife, and he is also helping my sister.
Listen, what is your goal? Means what is your aim after passing 12th, and what is your aim? Please say to us.
So, firstly, I try to go to abroad and complete the study, and then the rest goal.
Hey. So, do you have a friend in your school? Could you mention?
In my school, my friend name is Pawandeep, and Navjot Singh is very joyful person, and he is every time he play games he is also intelligent, but many times his work won't enjoy.
So, Navjot, I will tell you a topics because you are a beginner. Then you will keep views on the topic. I will give you your family. Okay, family or home.
Yeah, I like my home. My home is living in a legal with 3 rooms and living rooms and a kitchen. I love a living room, and because my full time pass in the living room, and my in my house in front side is good park, and it is living. My home is located in outside in the country, and in beautiful view on the palace, and we all the some places. Good place in the market.
Thanks for watching this video. Jai Jawan.